Hello, my name is Lauren Rose and welcome to my channel. I am a singer and vocal coach here on YouTube, and today I'm going to be talking about how to tell if you're a great singer. My number one tip for how to tell if you're a great singer is to record and listen to yourself. I get a lot of people asking me, Lauren, am I singing this right? Do I sound like a great singer? And then I ask if they've ever recorded themselves, and the answer is no. You're not going to know if you like your sound if you've never actually listened to it. We sound different in our heads than we actually do to other people. So the number one thing to do is to record and listen to yourself sing. Once you've finally recorded yourself, the first thing to listen for is how is your tone? Is it nasally? Is it really rounded and far back? Do you like the way you sound? The second thing you should listen for is your pitch. Are you on key? Are you flat? Are you sharp? Do you sound a little off? My third and final suggestion for what to listen to would be if it's out of your range, and do you hear any tension? Are there parts of the song that are more difficult and you're really straining and getting tense to hit them? The reason you may not like the way you sound is because the song is just a little bit too difficult for you right now and you're just straining to hit the notes. Now, if you don't like your tone, if you're off pitch, if you sound like you're strained, don't worry. Singing takes a lot of practice and a lot of hard work. It's like going to the gym and training. You wouldn't go for your first time and try to lift 300 pounds. You'd start with 5 or 10 pounds and you'd slowly work your way up. I myself had muscle tension dysphonia and it took me 3 years to work through it, and now I could sing songs that I couldn't years ago. So don't worry, hang in there, be patient, and you will be able to sing your favorite songs in no time. My bonus tip before we end today's video is pretty obvious, but please, if you can afford it, get singing lessons from a qualified teacher who is well knowledgeable about vocal health and stamina. We sound different to ourselves than we do to others. You need a teacher to help you listen to things you may be doing that may be causing damage, or maybe easy fixes you can do to be able to let you sing your favorite songs. We need that outside help. It will help you move along so much faster than you currently are if you don't have any help whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to become a part of my channel family and be notified whenever I make another video, and I will see you next week.